Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Start by detecting available space with MediaQuery and Layout Builder. Use MediaQuery to read screen width and height directly. Use Layout Builder to inspect constraints. Max width from parent widgets. Define clear breakpoints for mobile, tablet, and desktop like 360, 600, and 1024 pixels. Map those breakpoints to simplified layout states to reduce complexity. Prefer flexible widgets such as flexible and expanded rather than fixed pixel sizes when possible. This keeps UIs fluid across devices and reduces visual bugs. Apply fractionally sized box to size elements as fractions like 0, 25 or 0, 5. Use aspect ratio to maintain consistent width to height ratios across screens. Use flexible, expanded, and sized box for predictable spacing and alignment. Adapt grid view by changing cross-axis count at breakpoints like 360, 600, and 1024 to control columns. Wrap components in Orientation Builder to react to portrait versus landscape orientations. Use Layout Builder constraints to compute sizes rather than hard-coded pixel values for reliable layouts. Always test on representative device widths, such as 360, 600, and 1024 pixels. Verify UI with different text scale factor values and accessibility settings enabled. Clamp font sizes between 12 and 22 to prevent overflow and preserve readability. Use device preview plugins or emulator configurations to simulate various screens and pixel densities. Create golden tests and widget tests that assert layout structure at key breakpoints. Maintain a consistent spacing system and reusable responsive utilities for long.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.